Hello, we all know what wavelet transform is. So let's see an example and see how it works. So we have been given an array with 8 elements. Now we have to transform it. So the first value becomes 56 plus 40 by 2. The second becomes 8 plus 24 by 2, 48 plus 48 by 2, 40 plus 16 by 2. And the second value becomes 56 minus 48, 8 minus 16, 48 minus 48 and 40 minus 28. So the first value is the average of a0 plus a1 by 2, and we keep on shifting it, so it becomes I plus 0 and I plus 1 for the whole array. And the value starting here is a of I plus 0 minus average of I. So value of 56 minus 48 becomes 8. So I have written 1 2 3 4 here, and similarly 1 2 3 4 here, so as to remember. Now the second step. So our data array has now been reduced to this part. So we copy the rest of the array as it is, and for this we do the same thing, 48 plus 16 by 2 and 40 and here 48 minus 32. Then again this, for this cell 48 plus 28 by 2, and for this 48 minus 38, 10. Now our data array has reduced to this. We copy the rest of the array as it is, and for this we do 32 plus 38 by 2, that is 35, and 32 minus 35, that is minus 3. So this is our final array. So we can again convert this transformed array back into the original array by doing the following. So we add both these elements here and subtract them here. Similarly we add this 32 and 16 here, and subtract 32 minus 16 here. Similarly 38 plus 10 here, and 38 minus 10 here. And similarly we do this for all these 8 values next to get our original 8 values. So why are we doing this? So this is our transformed array. Then we change all the negative values to 0. So minus 3 becomes 0, minus 8 becomes 0. So this is our transformed array. Now we have to get the original array using this transformed array. So we do the same, 35 plus 0, 35 minus 0. Similarly 35 plus 16, 35 minus 16, 35 plus 10, 35 minus 10. And similarly now for all 8 we get 51 plus 8, 51 minus 8, 19 plus 0, 19 minus 0, 45 plus 0, 45 minus 0, 25 plus 12, 25 minus 12. And this becomes our resultant transformed array. This was our original array, and now this has become our wavelet transformed array. Thank you for watching. Hope you understood.